Well, hello viewers. Yes it is, it's Skippy here. Here at Centre Pod. I'm in the queue, ready to go down the strip. This is the quarter-mile mini race, organised by Dobby and Kenton. We had rain this morning, been waiting a long time for it to clear up and dry up. It's now 1 o'clock. The sun is out, it's nice and warm, the track is dry and the cars are going down. Some amazing cars here, you can probably hear it in the background, all the rumbles and everything else. But the top car is mine! Yes! And I'm going to be going down the strip as fast as I can. This is my first run, so it's going to be a cold run. We're going to get the practice, but I'll show you later on just what the strip looks like going down it on the lights and everything. But very excited. All kitted out, people looking around at me thinking this is a little rocket pocket, and they're not wrong. 1275 engine, 86 bhp, and we're going to be tearing down the track and we're going to be having a lot of fun. Well guys, it's me up next, just around the corner, just waiting for the marshal to tell me to go into position, which will be very soon. I'm up against the Mazda. Who gives a shit what model it is? It's making a lot of noise, but it's all down to the driving. Really looking forward to getting a good clean start off. Also, I'd like to thank all my fans for turning up. Lots of people in the crowd, must be 500 plus in the stands, waving red flags and chanting Enry. And that's it, the marshal's been calling me away. So I'll take my position up in a wet patch to do a burn off, which I don't really bother with that. Now just waiting for the marshals on the line now to take the lights. Don't know if you can hear the crowd cheering, but they're all waving at me. Just give a wave back. Okay, we'll go up to the position now. Ready to go, and we're off. It's a good start, I'm pleased with that. Into third gear. Full gas now. Go on Enry. Go on Enry. Got off to a good start, and let's hope we do it now. Well, that was fun. Only a quarter of a mile. First to third was good, and then fourth was a bit of a drag. So we'll see what that is. Join the queue. That was really good. I think my fans would be pleased with that. And we'll get them next time.